Hello and welcome to OBS Setup and Stream, your easy guides to OBS Studio for crafters. I'm Anthony from Mixed Media. Well, I'm sure you're here because you're a crafter, you want professional looking webcasts or Facebook Lives. Well, you have come to the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to use a free piece of software called OBS Studio. This is absolutely free, no cost whatsoever, and lots of different plugins and filters that you can get for extra. If you like the contents of my videos, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications as well. This will notify you of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. Right, without further ado, let's dive into the world of OBS. Right, first off we need to download OBS Studio, so go to your browser and your favourite search engine and then click in the search area and simply type in the letters OBS followed by Studio. Click on the return key and then that will bring up the results. You want to go for this one here, which is OBS Studio, but obsproject.com. That is the official website where you want to download OBS Studio from. Click on the link there. That's going to take you directly to the OBS Studio website. You'll see three buttons: Windows, Mac and Linux. We are going to be doing all the demonstrations in Windows, so that's what I'm going to download on my computer. So once again, simply click on the link and then that will start to download the OBS file to your computer. So this should take just a few minutes to actually do the downloading. Okay, right, we've actually downloaded a piece of software. Now you've got to navigate on your computer where to actually find it. I'm using the Chrome browser, so what I need to do is just simply go onto the OBS Studio 27.2.4 exe file, right click on there, show in Finder. That is then going to take me to the file on my computer that I am going to download. Once you've actually found that file, all you need to do then is actually double click on that file. The first thing it's going to say to you is, do you want to change the settings on your computer? You want to click on the yes button. Okay, so just give that a few seconds to actually get going and then you will be presented with your very first dialog box, which is this one here, which is welcoming you to OBS Studio 27.2.4. You may have downloaded another version, that's absolutely fine. Once you get to this one, all you need to do is simply click on the next button. This will then take you to yet another dialog box, which is the license that OBS actually have in place. You can read that if you wish, but either way, just simply click on the next button after, which will then take you to this dialog box, which is a destination folder. Leave that as it is as a default, which is your C drive in your program files. Once you're happy with that, again, just click on this button, that is the install button. That will then start to download all the contents to your computer. This may take a few minutes. Okay, so OBS is actually installed on your computer. Now what you can do at this particular point, you can click on this box here to read the view release notes, or click on this one. This one's a definite, and that is launch OBS Studio 27.2.4. Let's go for it. Let's click on that finish button and get into OBS Studio. Okay, so we are heading into OBS Studio itself. So you will be confronted with this, which is the auto configuration wizard. There's three different options there that you can actually choose from. This is going to optimize your computer to run at its best for the sort of streaming that you want to do. So there's three different options. Option one is optimize for streaming, recording the secondary. Next one is optimize for recording. I will not be streaming, and finally I will only be using the virtual camera. Go for the top one there and make sure that you click there, followed by the next button. This will take you into the video settings. Along with the video settings, you've also got this window here, which is the stream information. That will basically tell you which platform that you're going to be streaming on. Do you know what? We don't need to do any of that for the moment. We can do that later on. So we're going to click on the cancel button for the moment. Okay, there's absolutely no turning back. We are inside the OBS Studio user interface. This may look pretty intimidating and scary, but believe me, it's absolutely not. I'll be explaining what all these buttons, what this audio mixer thing is, what the sources are, and what the scenes are in my second video, which is all about the user interface here in OBS Studio. If you've liked the contents of this video and would love to subscribe, well, I'd love that too. And also click on that notifications button, which will enable you to be notified of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. Right, that's about it for this particular video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it really useful, and I'll see you again real soon. Thank you so much for watching.